Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to repost any story on Instagram, even if you weren't mentioned in it. Now, you used to have to open up Instagram and tap on that little heart at the top right and see if you were mentioned in that story. And if you were, great, you could always repost it. However, now you don't need to be able to do that. So let's go back out here, but let's go to the App Store or Google Play Store first. You're just going to tap on search and we're going to search for Instagram to update it on your iPhone or Android. This is a brand new feature, so make sure you've updated Instagram. After you've done that, I'll show you how it works. Let's open up the Instagram app and let's say I wanted to find a story to repost. In this case, The Daily Show. I can tap on it and you can see here is a Daily Show story. If I wanted to repost this, all I need to do is tap on that little airplane icon there at the bottom right, and you'll see a new feature that says add to your story. Keep in mind, this is only available for public stories. If it's a private account, it will not work. So just tap on add to story here, and you can see when you do tap on that, it pops up with your story. You can choose to share it or add a caption or music, and you can choose to share it with close friends, for instance, and after you've done that, you can see if I go all the way over to my story and tap on it, it'll say uploading, but there it is, uploaded the Daily Show story as my own story.